And so what I'm trying to do and succeeding is allowing these individuals to calm down, slow down, and build on their rhetorical skills and to become very proficient speakers so they become marketable. They can earn more. In call centers, and you know this perfectly well, if you're talented, you can make a lot of money. In fact, some people at my center earn more than doctors and attorneys in Costa Rica. But being in this industry and sitting in those cubicles and never really seeing what a call center looked like before coming down here, it really opened my eyes. And it's a fun environment. There's a lot of synergy. And if people are really engaged and really want to do dedicated practice, so they master their script, they really listen, they know how to pronounce names, time flies, they become very fulfilled, and they'll get promoted quickly. And I myself, it was interesting, Daniel, I was never a supervisor nor a manager for any job I had, none of them. And this one here, I went from agent to owning a call center. So I never became jaded. I never had to do office politics. My friend, I never forgot what got me here. The true Abington essence, if you know what I mean. But
yeah.
But it never stopped, my friend. Since I was 18 years old, I made a commitment to myself to be true. And the stars became aligned. I was very fortunate. This should have never happened.